So what we have to do, first we need to install here in this XAMPP. Then in htdocs we need to download the WordPress file. After this WordPress file, we are going to extract your WordPress like this way. So after extracting, your WordPress is going to like this way. You having so many files. So what I have did, just copy this WordPress, right click, copy. And what you all need to do, right click, paste outside the localhost, right? So we are going to paste here. After pasting, you are having a one folder like this way, a WordPress, right? So what I have done, I'm going to rename this WordPress with different name, eShop Online, right? So what I have done, I have created one folder with this name, Shop Online, not eShop Online, just Shop Online. So what I am going to do here, I'm going to click on this localhost. You are able to see all the folders here, eShop, but WordPress is not there, right? So, but WordPress is there in this Shop Online folder. So first step is this, you are able to receive this file. But before this, what you all need to do is you need to create one database. How you can create database using cpanel? Click here, localhost slash php myadmin. Use this URL and you are able to enter in this part. Now, after that, what you all need to do, click on new. You can create one database. I'm going to delete this one. So I'm going to create one database, eShop Online, right? So what you all need to do, create here one database, eShop Online. After creating this, you can click on create button and eShop is going to create. If anything is wrong, like the name you can see here, you can click on operations, you can rename your database, eShop Online, then go. The database is dropped, previous one, and this is created. Now second step, this is the first step you have to create. Second step, what you all need to do is you need to create privileges. You need to give your logins. So here you can do, click here, add new user, right? Here you can write username. Now username is shop online. I can write like this, user shop. User shop is the username and the password is user shop @123#. User shop @123#, right? So I'm going to give automatically to this database, eShop Online, giving some privileges, select query, create query, some grant, all the things I'm going to give. Now, after selecting all these things, what you all need to do, go, click on this go button. So now user shop is created and it is going to give some privileges to this eShop online database, right? And the password is in this way. Right now it is not showing to you. Clear? So this database is going to create. Now these are the two steps which we have to do in this PHP MyAdmin. Now the next step what we all need to do, go to this shop online and select this wp config file sample. Here we are going to write eShop. Database name is eShop. Username is user shop, and the password is user shop 123 hash, right? User shop 123 hash, and close this file. Vp config sample file you have to close. Now come back to this process shop online web page. Click on continue button. You just need to choose the language. Now we need to set up the database name. Here we have eShop online. Database name is eShop. Username is user shop, and the password is user shop at 123 hash, right? If this is the correct password, then we are able to create. No, this is not the correct one, because I have written here user shop at the rate 123 hash. So we need to write this at the rate 123 hash, right? So run the installation. So now one thing, when you have created this correct password, here VP automatically created, VP config file automatically created by the WordPress. These are the process now. Shopping online, best shopping website, best shopping. This is my site title. Username I am going to write admin. Password is admin 123 hash. Click on this confirm password. Now install the WordPress. Must provide the email, so I am going to write admin at eshoponline.com. Any email you can provide here. It is not like you have to create, right? So this is the procedure we have done. Then login again, admin 123 hash, right? Click here. We are able to show this cPanel. Now check this URL, localhost shop online. Localhost now. The same web page is going to create, which we have done seen in a live server. If you want to see live server, infotech coders slash blog. Here we have installed the live application. The same files we have generated with different URLs. Clear? So this is the step of installation of the WordPress. Clear? So now students, tell me if you have any doubts, any queries. We have 1 minute left.